I want to talk on nursing management of diabetes. Nursing management, it means how you feel handle diabetes for compound you don't take medicine. Because we don't get plenty down, we'll talk only on 3 points. We give very important. 1. Who get physical activities. My colleagues don't talk about again. When you wake up for bed, and not to say you come go run Mount Cameroon, or say you go run mountain race. No. I talk say when you wake up for bed, if you wake up, walk around your compound 3 times, 2 times, think I'm back sit down. It will help you. Or if you wake up, you get your mat. If you put that for that, there's a mat, you know there for here. Or lunch, I for put that, I for demonstrate that for una. If you take them, you will put that for them. You lie on top. You feel make any gymnastics for your own level because my own I feel make a for you. Una auto say I feel as a kill na killer. I did no. That way you don't put them. You make any like one when you correct for you. So that will you help una. I'll say to someone again. Jama oh. Give opportunity. You don't be blessed. Amen. You don't be blessed. That way, mama, when I cook fufu, when I cook plenty jama, from a quiet one, I pay me when I look hot. When I put jama, be plenty. Put this more fufu. Then I don't carry fufu. Come inside pan. This one jama, I will best. Me, I will best. When I put this one jama, put the. I mean, when I put this plenty jama, put this more fufu. Make it ready to be jama. Because it get work for you, body, and mommy, not all say, keep a party over church and dama. Let me keep it over church. No, it get work for your body, and you too, it get work for your own body. It will help you play. That's what I want to come. And I said, make sure that for any month you go for hospital, go to your sugar level. Because if sugar plenty for your body, now problem. Now I see. No problem. Make sure say you don't go. Doctor, check him. See and say, madam, you there you fine. Tell you, you there you fine. Right, you there you fine. No, she don't say I know go check him. No, be sure say you will go check him. For know whether he high, he dey normal, he be low. So that one you overhelp una. I don't get plenty for tell una, just for tell una that small talk. So bye bye.
But I will talk on the complications. As my mate Stephanie don't really talk. When they talk say complication, when it comes for you are white. Because complication, when you want to take them for English teacher, he go tell you say, this book this so you over complicate. It means say that book this so you over strong. But when you come for the white so we wear and so when we talk say complication for sick, that complication the only come in time when that this sick don't come for your skin. You only tie money, talk say no, I want buy wrapper. You tie money, keep am for your waist, you talk say, I want buy mesh. You keep money, you talk say, I want buy shoe. You the key yourself, you know the key, now we will stand for you with the white. Because today we don't tell you, so we don't say God for heaven, he don't mark the day. And he knows say we don't talk about that complication, then diabetes, now a disease where it be very strong. And the complications then with diabetes, the first one I go talk about now death. That day so it be some kind of thing where you just she don't some man day where it just sleep, they want woke up where you know cry headache. You don't even see how we eat this one see hands they can't gather for day, but it die. You go talk say wait to say na VP. Some people then go talk say VP, say na village people then. But you don't check yourself. You be the follow your system for know whether I dey so I dey fine, or you dey only take your money go buy your mimo drink. So mimo dey wey dey produce am with sugar. Wey for inside that sugar you get sucrose, you get glucose. When you dey take that excess of sugar for your skin, you know say you dey chop your money, you dey chop fine thing, you dey drink, so you boss for people then say I get money, I get my property. But you don't know say behind that alcohol you dey kill yourself. When you woke up Sunday, you don't talk, your family member then start accuse people then. Accuse neighbor say, this neighbor so, now he don't take the my brother away. The one so, now he don't take the my brother away. When are you know the cause the way you don't take your life. We will try for the treat oneself. When we talk to we go hospital, yes, we get headache. We no reason why we get that headache. We see and say we must follow and go stop waiting where it bring with that headache. Because through that headache, plenty people then be die. The second one, this one it be divided. You get ketoacidotic and you get non-ketoacidotic complications. For these ketoacidotic complications, the first one is heart failure. We don't hear how people then when they talk about hypertension, they don't talk say when you get heart failure, your heart no dey pump fine. When you get this plenty sugar for your skin, you know the take medicine, but see and say you don't stop that sugar. That sugar dey accumulate for your heart. When it accumulates, so it is stop the heart for the do way it's supposed to do. Main function for your heart, for your skin, as it is pump blood. Now the heart way it control how way blood supposed to work. Other thing than the way it control blood, but the heart now the main organ where it help you make blood the flow for your skin. But if you take your mimo drink, you don't say I get to drink my mimo after all I get my money. So man no day way if you compare with me, you drink your mimo, she don't. It chop you. After some time, you see and say you don't develop now for that heart failure. You don't kill yourself. But you don't use that your money, pride for kill yourself they with your own hands.
Okay.
Development.